Okay guys, if you're thinking of going to a floating market in Bangkok, yeah, do not bother going to the Amphoe tourist trap floating market. You'll get ripped off there. What you should do is come to the Bang Nam Pung floating market in the green lungs of Bangkok. I'll show you what it's all about. The prices are super duper cheap. They got loads of stuff here, clothes, food, knickknacks, sunnies, you name it, yeah, it's here. And yeah, as I mentioned, the prices are way cheaper, yeah, than the other floating markets. So check it out guys. Oh yeah, and one more thing I forgot to mention is how do you get to the green lungs of Bangkok, Bang Nam Phu. You can take the ferry from either Klong Toi Pier or Bang Nao Pier. It's quite an expensive journey, it costs a whopping 4 baht. So yeah, you've got to get the ferry here, unless you go all the way around Bangkok.